Presenting AI EngineHost, the world's first AI-optimized NVIDIA GPU-powered unlimited hosting platform, built for speed, scalability, and smart automation. If you're tired of slow websites, expensive monthly hosting, and outdated dashboards, this changes everything. Let's show you exactly how it works. Once logged in, you'll see a beginner-friendly, streamlined control panel. No coding, no complex setup. Everything is clean, simple, and ready to use. Easily add your domain and start hosting. AI EngineHost supports unlimited websites and domains, with zero restrictions or hidden charges. Manage multiple projects, client sites, or your own digital empire with complete freedom. Use the one-click installer to instantly set up WordPress, AI tools, or any popular open-source script. No tech stress, just click and launch. It's that fast. AI EngineHost supports full deployment of advanced AI models like LLaMA 3, Grok, Falcon, GPT-NeoX, and Mistral 7B. Perfect for launching AI apps, SaaS platforms, or your own branded chatbot tools. Built on USA-based data centers, this platform runs on NVIDIA GPU servers, dual Xeon Gold CPUs, NVMe SSD storage, and Lightspeed technology. Expect ultra-fast loading, stable uptime, and performance optimized for scale. AI EngineHost includes premium SSL certificates, daily backups, real-time malware monitoring, and DDoS protection. All built in. No third-party tools needed. Your data is protected. Your uptime is solid. There are no monthly fees and no renewals. Pay once and unlock lifetime access to unlimited AI-powered hosting and website management. Host unlimited websites. Deploy AI tools. Scale faster and smarter. Click the button below to get lifetime access to AI EngineHost before this offer ends. This is hosting, reimagined and rebuilt for the future. Get lifetime access to AI EngineHost before this launch closes.